Hi everyone, can you simplify this without using a calculator? 105 raised to the power 4 minus 95 raised to the power 4. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 105 raised to the power 4 minus 95 raised to the power 4. We can write this equation as 105 exponent 4 can be written as 2 times 2 and minus 95 4 can be written as 2 times 2. We know the formula a power m into n can be written as a power m whole raised to the power n. So we will apply this formula here and here. We get 105 square whole square minus 95 square whole square. Now this is a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So in this case a is equal to 105 square and b is equal to 95 square. So the equation now becomes 105 square minus 95 square times 105 square plus 95 square. We can see that this is also a square minus b square. We will apply a formula again, but here in this case our a is equal to 105 now and b is 95 now. So our equation after simplification will become 105 minus 95, 105 plus 95 times 105 square plus 95 square. What is 105 minus 95? 10 times 105 plus 95 is 200, and we can write this 105 as 100 plus 5 whole square, because 100 plus 5 is 105, and we also write 95 as 100 minus 5 whole square. Okay, fine. So the equation becomes 10 into 200 is 2000. 100 plus 5 whole square plus 100 minus 5 whole square. What is this? This is a plus b whole square and this is a minus b square. We will use a formula sum of square of numbers and difference of square of numbers. So we will get 2000. This is 100 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 100 into 5 plus a minus b square is 100 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 100 into 5. So it will be 2000. 100 square is 100 0 0. 10,000 plus 25 plus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 100 is 1000, plus 100 square is 10,000, plus 5 square is 25, minus 1000. Cancel with this. We have 2000, 10000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 is 20,000, plus 25 into 25 is 50. 2000, 20,000 plus 50 is 20,000, 20,050. Now we will multiply this 20050 times 2000. 0 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2 into 0 is 0, 1, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4. It will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 4. So 105 power 4 minus 95 power 4 is equal to 40, 100, 000. We have solved this question without using a calculator. We have done number of steps to find after simplification 40, 100, 000. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.